Cleaning our living spaces is a fundamental human activity, an endless cycle of tidying and renewal. For much of our history, this was a task of considerable physical effort, a battle waged with simple manual tools. But over the last century and a half, a quiet revolution has taken place. The simple act of removing dust and dirt from our floors has transformed, moving from the rhythmic sweep of a broom to the automated hum of a robotic servant. This is the story of that evolution, a journey from pure muscle power to sophisticated machinery, charting how one simple idea, using a current of air to lift dirt, fundamentally changed the nature of the domestic world. It is a story of human ingenuity, of trial and error, and of the relentless pursuit of a cleaner, healthier life. The transition was not a single sudden event. It was a slow progression built upon countless individuals. We begin in a world where dust was an ever-present companion, stirred by the day's cleaning only to settle once more. For millennia, the tools of cleaning were simple and unchanged, powered entirely by human effort. Before the 19th century, the primary weapon against dirt was the broom, crafted from bundled twigs and fibers, used to sweep dust from hard floors. This method, however, was imperfect. It largely redistributed the finest particles, pushing them from place to place, or stirring them into the air. For carpets and rugs, a more aggressive approach was required. The most effective tool was the carpet beater, a racket-like implement fashioned from rattan, wood, or wire. Cleaning a rug meant hauling it outside, hanging it, and beating it vigorously, sending great clouds into the air. It was dusty, tiring, often messy, and fair weather dependent. Indoors, crumbs were brushed from tables, dust whisked from furniture, and damp cloths captured some grime. Even so, deep cleaning was elusive. Dust settled in fibers, cracks, and on every surface. For many, it irritated the lungs. Housekeeping was unending, strenuous work, often borne by women and servants. The second half of the 19th century was a period of great invention, seeking mechanical answers to everyday problems. In these workshops, inventors first tried to harness moving air for cleaning. The idea was simple yet revolutionary. Instead of pushing dirt around, use a current of air to pull it away. One early device appeared in Chicago in 1869, patented by Ives W. McGaffey. He called it the whirlwind. Built of wood and canvas, it was hand-powered. One hand cranked, while the other pushed. The crank drove a fan, creating suction to lift dirt from carpets into a bag. Cumbersome and awkward, it was not a commercial hit, but it proved the concept of mechanical suction. Other designs used bellows, expanding and contracting to create intermittent puffs of suction. Often called carpet sweepers, these machines bridged brushes and vacuums, ingenious, yet limited by human stamina. Crucially, they shifted focus toward fans, airflow, and filtration, setting a new direction for cleaning technology. The true birth of powered vacuum cleaning arrived with the dawn of the 20th century. In 1901, Hubert Cecil Booth watched an American machine blow dust off upholstery, merely moving dirt elsewhere. He tested suction through fabric and realized drawing air through a filter could capture dust. Booth built a colossal machine, first oil-engined, then electric. Too large for interiors, it sat on a horse-drawn cart, nicknamed the Puffing Billy. From the street, operators ran long hoses inside. A glass tube showed dust whisked away. Booth's British vacuum cleaner company sold a service. Expensive, used by the wealthy big businesses, even royalty. Famously, it cleaned the blue coronation carpet at Westminster Abbey in 1902, pulling out decades of dust. The spectacle drew crowds, but logistics were cumbersome and costs high. Still, Booth created the first commercially successful engine-powered vacuum system, proving filtered suction at scale, and paving the way to bring that power into homes. The transformation from industrial service to domestic appliance was the work of James Murray Spangler. In 1907, a janitor in Canton, Ohio, he suffered from asthma triggered by dusty carpet sweepers. He experimented with an old fan motor, a soapbox, a broom handle, and a pillowcase, creating a portable electric suction sweeper with a brush to loosen dirt and a cloth bag to collect it. He patented it in 1908 and formed the Electric Suction Sweeper Company. Lacking funds, Spangler showed it to his cousin Susan Hoover. Her husband, William Henry Hoover, bought the patent and kept Spangler as a partner. Hoover encased the motor and refined the bag, then offered a 10-day free home trial in the Saturday Evening Post. Beating carpets gave way to pushing a machine. The Hoover Model O, about 40 pounds, became the upright blueprint: suction, brush roll, and collection bag in one. For the first time, electric-powered cleaning reached the middle class. Spangler's ingenuity and Hoover's salesmanship launched the era of the household vacuum. Throughout the mid-20th century, the vacuum cleaner cemented its place as an essential household appliance. The upright design pioneered by Hoover was joined by the canister vacuum, separating motor and collector into a wheeled unit with a flexible hose and wand. Lightweight wands reached under furniture, cleaned stairs, dusted curtains, and refreshed upholstery. Competition between uprights and canisters spurred innovation and consumer choice. Engineers made machines more powerful, quieter, and easier to use, with more efficient motors and stronger suction. In the 1950s, disposable paper dust bags replaced messy cloth emptying. Remove, discard, insert a fresh one. Post-war ads promised time savings and modern domestic bliss. As suburban homes grew and carpeting spread, vacuums became necessary. By the 1960s and 1970s, ubiquitous. Designs compacted, materials lightened, and features like retractable cords, headlights, and indicators made vacuums reliable weekly workhorses. The final decades of the 20th century brought another wave of transformative innovation. Most significant was the commercialization of cyclonic separation, popularized by James Dyson in the 1990s. Spinning air at high speed flung debris into a clear bin, maintaining suction as it filled, unlike clogging bags. This bagless revolution reshaped the industry, pushing manufacturers to develop their own cyclonic machines. The transparent bin had a psychological impact. Users could see the dirt removed from their homes. Growing awareness of indoor air quality drove HEPA filtration, trapping microscopic allergens for healthier homes. Early 2000s robotic vacuums, small autonomous discs, navigated with basic sensors, bumping and turning. For the first time, vacuuming could be delegated entirely to a machine, a simple form of a once science fiction dream. Today, cordless stick vacuums with long-lasting lithium-ion batteries offer lightweight convenience and versatility. Robotic vacuums use lasers and cameras to map homes, plan efficient routes, clean on schedule, and even empty themselves. Modern machines combine powerful suction, advanced filtration, and intelligent automation for unprecedented cleanliness and convenience. The journey from the carpet beater to the smart robot is complete. The goal shifted from moving dust around to removing it entirely, even filtering the air we breathe at home. This evolution mirrors broader technological change, from hand and steam, to engines, electricity, and the microchip. Ultimately, the story of the vacuum cleaner is about improving daily life, freedom from drudgery, and a new standard of hygiene. The quiet hum of a modern vacuum is the sound of more than 150 years of accumulated knowledge. From manual tools to intelligent robots, the chapter continues to unfold, shaping cleaner, healthier homes worldwide. This is the evolution of vacuum cleaning, a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring desire for order and cleanliness.